Welcome back, language learners. Today we're diving into the world of adjectives and taking them to the next level with comparative and superlative forms. Let's compare and contrast our way to better English. Let's start with the comparative form. We use it to compare two things. The basic formula is adjective plus ir plus than. For example, this car is faster than that one. But what about longer or two or more syllable adjectives? We add more before the adjective. For example, this movie is more interesting than the last one. Now, let's talk about superlatives. We use them to compare more than two things and find the best or most of something. The formula is the plus adjective plus est. For example, the white car is the fastest car I've ever seen. Again, for longer or more than one syllable adjectives, we use the most. For example, this is the most expensive house in the neighborhood. Irregular forms, the exceptions. Some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. Let's review a few common ones. Good, better, best bad, worse, worst far, farther, further, farthest, furthest, much many, more, most little, less least. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these forms in your everyday conversations and writing to improve your English skills. Subscribe for more English fun.